Are you in the
I was in acrobatics.
gymnast?
Yeah, it's like a gymnast.
Why were you in the gymnast?
No, I can't do
Because
it.
it's a sport.
Adrian, try again.
Again.
I'm gonna.
Here.
What if I'm left-handed?
It's hard to
I'm left-handed.
She is left-handed.
If you're left-handed, I can't do it. Just do the same thing, just
I
opposite.
can't do
way.
it this way. That would feel weird. So I can't do it this way.
Yeah, but you can do a
I'm gonna die.
one-handed push.
Scared. I know.
Yeah.
That was
She did her legs at 8. I feel like you practiced that before.
I know.
How are you so good?
Thank you. Now you do it. Yeah.
Okay.
Want to see what I use that for?
Like dig your elbow into your hip. Wait, I want to see that.
Oh, sorry. You
Like
really
that is one thing that you do for, it's called balance. And you use it for, like this would be me.
Go.
Oh.